See, that's good. Not with the stupid plate. What the fuck? I changed the front. Oh, I didn't change the back. I think. Ah, that will be it. That will be it. No problem. No problem. Okay. No problem. Where I missed it. Could be it's like 2 years ago. I don't think so. Yeah. Don't fall on my face, please. The 2 bolts here. Because 13s, I think. Let's see. Yep. Yep. Perfect. Works. Yep, it works. It works. Wait. Well, look, there's a problem with things like that. You can block your machine. Fuckers. Fuckers. Normally you have another piece without the knee for impact tools. Shouldn't use this, but it's not a really fast impact tools. Doesn't matter. It's better than to jam up your tools. We just saved 3 minutes of like a baby, like a fucking baby. Now we'll have to tap this slightly to get it loose, and I think I'll put this one somewhere else because it's really annoying me. Okay, muchos better. Look at that. Muchos. You can just let it hang. It's fixed to the handbrake, so it's pretty tight. Yep. Now we have to whack it. Whack it. Whack. With a big hammer. The biggest you can find is the best. You see? Wow, I don't mind to break this. First you whack it like this. Haha. This is the right technique. Yes it is. Yes it is. Ooh, you can even feel it. Look, it's totally busted. Oh. Alrighty, we have to clean up these bad boys. To be a little bit healthier, just hit it with some brake cleaner. Actually, sometimes you have to use brake cleaner. What it's meant for brakes, bearings. Look, a lot less dust. I'll try to loosen it also. But I think I'm gonna hit it with some heat. I think they're gonna be fixed, pressed inside. So we can just hit it with some heat without wasting time. See, these are videos that you don't often see because everything has already been done before and you don't see the real rust, frustration, the little clamp that's still fixed. And you can't even clean it properly, so yeah, real frustration. Costs a lot of money. So now you understand why it's always expensive. When you bring cars like and this one is really nice because hey, it's mine. And I took care of it here and there. Look at this one right there. It's busted and the bolt is rusted, so yeah, it's normal. To fix older cars you have to pay more, but in the end it's you cannot always buy a new car when something has to be fixed, because then you would pay a lot more. You have to fix it when you see it, when you feel it. Yeah, nice call, good call. I already heard it in the past couple of months, but yeah. Tires are also a little bit loud. Now you could hear it really good. When you have this situation, because there was no play. I didn't show it, but I felt it before. There was no play, still no play, nothing. Just the grease is out, it's turning dry. And when you go in a corner and you put stress on this side, so you turn a little bit sharp to the right, then all the weight is gonna fall on this wheel, and you hear it. Wow. So that's the best way to test it. Also, when the trunk is empty, a lot of resonance in there. And when you turn the wheel and you grab this one, because this is very